In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit GoHighLevel website. By the end, you'll feel confident finding your site, opening the page builder, and making clean edits using the general, styles, and animations controls. Start by opening GoHighLevel and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find Sites. Click it, then choose Websites. This is where all of your websites live. You'll see tiles or a list of your sites, along with basic details that help you spot the one you want. Open the site you want to work on. Inside the site view, go to the Pages section. This is your page library, showing each page, its status, and often when it was last updated. Pick the specific page you'd like to change. If you're not sure which one to open, use the names and paths to guide you: home, about, contact, or any landing page you've set up. When you've identified the right page, click Edit to launch the page builder. The builder opens a live preview of your page in the main canvas with editing panels on the side. Click directly on the element you want to change: text, buttons, images, forms, or sections. When an element is selected, you'll see its settings appear. Think of the editor in 3 layers: what the element does, how it looks, and how it moves. Start with General. This is where you update the essentials: text content, links, image sources, icon choices, alignment, and basic spacing. For example, you can rewrite headlines, connect a button to a URL or funnel step, swap an image, or adjust padding to give elements breathing room. Make clear, purposeful changes here to keep your message sharp. Move to Styles to refine the visual design. Here you'll set fonts, sizes, colors, backgrounds, borders, shadows, and advanced spacing. Keep your typography consistent and your color palette on brand. Small tweaks like increasing line height or adjusting contrast can dramatically improve readability and accessibility. Finally, use animations to control motion. You can add entrance effects, set delays, and tweak duration so elements appear smoothly as visitors scroll. Subtlety is key. Choose light fades or slides that enhance focus without distracting from your content. Test timing so important elements don't arrive too late. As you work, edit one element at a time and preview changes in the builder. If you're adjusting multiple sections, keep notes on what you've updated to stay organized. When you're satisfied, close out of the builder knowing your page reflects your latest content and style. And that's it. Navigate to your site, open your page, and fine-tune it with general, styles, and animations. You've got this.